Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to read candlesticks charts on eToro. So let's go straight into it. Now first we need to select the asset, so let's say Bitcoin, just like that. Go here to the chart, and now what we can do is first put to the bigger screen, so you can press here these diagonal arrows just like that, and we have the bigger screen now, bigger chart. Now the second thing, if you don't see these charts, what you can do here at the top, you can select this one here, and then if you have something like that, you can change to the candles and you will see this kind of view now. All right, now each candle represents a specific time frame, so um, the body, so this, let me zoom in, so that this thick part of the candle shows the difference between the open and close prices. So the green is bullish one, the price closed higher than it opened, and the red one is then the price closed lower than it opened. Now we have also these thin lines on each on and every candle. So these represent the high and low price reached during that time frame. So at the top wick, the highest price sellers allowed before pushing it back down, and the bottom one is the lowest price buyers allowed before pushing it back up. Now we have also on the top toolbar of the chart, you will see buttons like 1 day, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and let's say 1 week. Somewhere you will also see 1 month. So if you select 1 day, for example, let me find it right here. This is to see the long-term trend. It's basically 1 day candles. Then you have if you select 5 minutes, you are looking for a short-term entry points. Now, this is pretty much basically the beginner tutorial how you can read candles in the charts. You need to know that you have a bunch of basically knowledge about that, how you need to look for specific trade which you want to do. So yeah, this is for this video, so that you get to know the basics of these candles. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next